Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hafizi binti Muhammad Zaid. Okay, my matric number is 247964. Okay, now I will explain about the executive summary. Okay, the product that we had choose is vehicle financing on the public bank. Okay, this is one of the financing method with the long-term period where depends to the lenders for repaying their dues. Okay, as vehicle financing adopted by majority at least once in their lifetime. Okay, each bank provides the vehicle financing, but in different interest rate. Okay, public banks is our choices because of it have an attractive um, margin of finance. Okay, second, public bank has convenience of paying the installment through the multi-delivery channel or at any branches at extensive network. Okay, the third is public bank also convenience in paying motor insurance and renewal for the road tax. Okay, in general, okay, vehicle financing is divided into two. Okay, firstly, direct lending, and secondly is dealership financing. Okay, in direct lending, customer can get loans direct from the banks, finance company or credit unions. Okay, the customer agrees to pay over a period time the amount of the finance and the finance charge. Okay, for the direct lending, okay, direct lending also offer the customer credit term in advance by getting financing before buy the vehicle. The customer will know about the rates and other terms. Okay, next, in dealership financing, customer will get financing through the dealership. In this part, customer and a dealer will enter a contract that's agreed to pay over a period of time. Okay, the amount of the finance and the finance charge. The dealer will keep the contract but typically sells it to a bank or other finance company. Okay, our missions. Okay, our mission in this project is to facilitate UM residents to get vehicle financing, especially among students. Okay, we give them more exposure on the budget and ability to finance the car. Okay, before the customer want to finance or lease a car, we look at their financial situation first. Okay, to make sure they have enough income to cover monthly living expenses. Okay, we are prepare a budget worksheet as a guide of customers. Okay, that's all for the executive summary.